Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am gonna show you how to upload music to Spotify. So if you have lots of music in your desktop and that music is not available on Spotify and you want to listen it on Spotify, it means all things on one place. So this video is for you. So you guys have to simply download the Spotify on your Windows or Mac because this option does not work on web-based Spotify. So after downloading the app, you guys have to simply open it and after opening it, so after connecting with correct account, you guys have to simply go to these three dots on the top left corner. So after clicking on it, you guys have to here go to the panel where edit section. Here you guys have to simply find an option in preferences, which is last option. So after clicking on that, or you guys can hold Control plus P in order to open it, a pop-up window will appear. Here you guys have to simply scroll down until you find an option which is your library. In the your library section, you guys can be able to see an option which is show local files. So you guys have to just toggle it on. So after toggling it on, here it will display you local files history. In this way, after clicking on it, here you guys can be able to see it is providing you all your computer music also in local files playlist. In this way, you guys can be able to use your music in Spotify. So if you are troubling in finding some of specific music which is on your desktop and you are not able to find it on Spotify, then you guys have to simply copy and paste, or you guys can drag and drop here in order to listen. So in this way you guys can upload music on Spotify. I hope this method is find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.